That's kind of cool. Why? Stop it! Get it. Don't hit me. No! Don't. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Don't hit me. Give me that. Don't! Ready? 3. What if this is 3D? Okay. Turn around. It's so good, right? I'm sorry. Oh my god. I don't want to go. Stop laughing at me. My legs, let me see. Oh shit. I fell off that tree right there, that tree right there. That tree right there, I fell off that tree. I mean, I fell off, but like I slid. And now I have red spots on my leg. Yeah. April. Are your eyes brown? No. It's black. Like your soul. It's black. Cause it's like a skin. It's black like a skin. Do I look weird on the side? No. I look weird on the side. Like I'm like the ugliest person. No! It's not go. April is gonna do the monkey bar. Go now. Go. Who cares? I don't care if there's a little bit. Come on! Doesn't matter. You're big. You can do it. Come on, come on. You're tight. I don't. Okay, now it is. Okay, I'm scared. Here's April again. I can't be doing the monkey bars again. Take 2. Go. It's gonna take me a while. Take 2. Come on! Look, she can do it, I bet. Look, she can do it. Ow, why did you stop me? Come on. I did it, yeah. I am. Hurry up! The monster is coming! It's Godzilla! Shit, I might get pushed. I might get pushed down. I'm scared. Oh crap. I'm gonna get pushed down, I bet. Oh god. God! Here, hold it. I'm gonna do this. How's that push up? Let me try to do it. Pretend I'm not here. You're just showing like what's happening. You can't show your face. No. Come on, go. Come on. Go everywhere. We can't do it anymore. We're weak. Where's your phone, April? Wait, I'm gonna go in the car. I'm gonna go in the car. I'm gonna jump on it. Basketball. Okay, April, I'm gonna go in the car. Stand. Oh well, who cares? Fine. You don't wanna drive? to Power Ranger, okay? We're gonna go have a beaver day. We're gonna buy beaver stuff. Is that okay with you? Huh? Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
We're turning into a driveway. Can you see me steering? Can you see me steering? Because I'm actually driving. If you don't believe me,
Don't hit me!
behind the camera.
Crash me.
Huh?
Crash into me. No. They go like this. Where's everything? What's that?
It's not the right. We're gonna have an adventure. We're gonna have an adventure. Look at that one guy right there. We're gonna have an adventure. Oh, I was going to the men's by accident. Now we're going to the women's. Oh my god. So weird. Oh my god. Oh, what did I smell? Okay. We're gonna have an adventure. We're in the bathroom. And we're gonna play. Oh my god, you bitch! Don't do that! I'll do that to you! There's somebody in there. Oh my god. Somebody in there. There's no reactions. Here, videotape me. Okay? You have to climb after me, okay?
Please don't jump off a cliff.
Hold on. Okay, guys. Nobody's there. Nobody's there. Wait. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Pee! And poop. That's nasty. Oh. Baby. Ah! Oh my god. Stop. Look what I found. Matches. And it says baby. Guess somebody was thinking of Justin Bieber. Yeah? Baby. Oh. Baby. Oh. Who wants to hear me sing? Margie found matches. Say that, okay?
Margie found some matches.
What should she do?
What should she do? Oh, looks like she grabbed one. Kids, should she let go? Margie!
Did you catch that?
Yeah.
Don't play with lighter matches, I mean. Don't play with matches, April told me, but I'm disobeying? What's the word?
I'm right here though.
Disobeying her rule.
Because they're gonna burn it.
It does?
Your hands look cool.
Does it look ugly?
Can you stop it?
Does it look ugly?
No.
Oh, it's still on. Why did you do that?
My turn.
Okay, your turn. Next.
I'm scared. I'm so scared. Never done this ever in my life.
Okay, to be continued. I told April to do this. She doesn't want to do it, but I did. She's
How
what
do
is
I
that?
do this?
She's forced because of my peer pressure. Should she do it or should she not? She's gonna do it.
How do I do it?
Oh my god, just pull it.
Ah!
Oh, you just wasted a match.
No, I didn't even stuff yet.
Come on, you just wasted it.
What do I
Come on,
do?
you have to light the cigarette. Just joking. Just joking.
What do I do? Do I hold it? Do I put it in the
Hold
beginning?
this and then you have to pull.
No, do I put it here?
Yeah. You
Hold
know
it
how to
tight?
do it, yeah.
No.
Not
I haven't
tight.
done this.
Not very tight. Just like pull it.
Ah! I'm scared.
Make sure it doesn't go close. That's so cool.
Sisa ko to. Sisa ko to man, diba? Di bulo. I was here. Why does it hurt? Bigfoot.
Alam mo, you're gonna speak different language ito.
Because it's just no.
Hurry up, your dad's here. Okay, you ready? Run. Go. Oh, we almost got that bird though. So, we ran all the way to my house because April's leaving soon. And it sucks. She's leaving me. Are you serious? Am I what? Okay, so I got the ball. Oh my god, famous person! Holy crap, Molly. Grab! Hey, April. I can beat you and own you at this game of basketball. Okay. My eggs. I'll leave my eggs right here, next to this cobweb in the clovers, in case it's good luck. Oh my god, I found a 4-leaf clover. Are you serious? I'm serious. For your luck.
Where?
I found a 4-leaf clover.
Not 4.
It is beautiful. Just joking. Lucky. Okay, let's play ball. Ball.
No, you have to be firm.
Pass the rock! Oh yeah, pass the rock! Pass the rock! Right there, April's leaving. Bye, April. Bye. Ew. Bye. April's leaving.